How to enable 5G in iPhone. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the settings application on your device and tap on cellular. Make sure that 5G network totally depends on the carrier service that you are using. If your carrier service does not provide a 5G network, then you will not be able to use 5G network no matter whichever model of iPhone you are using. So once you have opened cellular, tap on your phone number and then tap on the voice and data option you see there. Here, as you can see, I have 5G auto and 5G on. Simply go ahead and choose your preferred option, and with this 5G will be enabled on your iPhone. So this is how you can enable 5G on iPhone. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.